Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wish to say thanks for you guys because we had crossed 200 subscribers yesterday. This is the average growth for our channel, but you guys are insane. As the response for videos and support you had showed me a lot. Thanks for you guys.
That's good.
I had randomly selected a YouTube family member by a YouTube subscriber selector in Chrome. I'll promise you guys that we are in 200 subscribers. Till 2k, I'll give a giveaway for every 100 subscribers. After that, I'll give a giveaway for every month. I'll never forget these 200 people in my life because you are the guys who had supported me when I'm taking a first step in my life. Thanks for you guys. Love you all. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my YouTube family because I'm having a lovely YouTube family here. I also want you to be with my family. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions or if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.